do a bit of London commuter Brighton main line today. Cue the intro. Welcome everyone. That was confusing. There's a 9:10 to Balham. This is where I need to go, and then on to another one that goes to Watford Junction at 9:10 on platform 2. But there's also a train that goes to Watford Junction and Balham at 9:10 on platform 5. So what one? Well, I've chosen platform 2. I don't know why. I just chose platform 2. Anyway, let's wait for our train to come in. I really hope it's a good train. Let's wait and see. So here we go. This train came in, so I couldn't see the one from platform 5, but it doesn't mention it on real-time trains. The platform 5 to Watford Junction, so yeah, I don't know what's going on there. I think I chose the right one. It's a 12-car service.
Welcome aboard the Southern Service. Please keep your bags and personal belongings with you at all times.
I know we're not fully on the Brighton main line, but we go on a bit of it, and we're on a 377, so that's decent enough.
1016. See it, say it, sorted.
Sorted.
That's just the train. The house kind of perfect time. There was this big massive by the street. Yeah. And they're like, yeah. I never actually had those time later. I used to have nightmares that my like I look up upstairs. I used to be scared my mum's bed was like right above my room would just like cameras of the night like kill me quickly. I actually thought about that as well. One time my sister has like a trundle bed, right? You pull it out. And one time she was like, oh, well, you sleep in the area under the bed, not on the actual bed, because I wasn't allowed to sleep. I wasn't allowed to sit on the bed. So she's like, you can sleep under the bed, like bring the blanket and pillow, because we used to have sleepovers quite a lot. I was not allowed on her bed though. Like, I'm not allowed to. Never. No, like I said.
Welcome aboard the Southern Service to Watford Junction. The next station is Thornton Heath. Please keep Norbury. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. Streatham Common. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
So I'm getting off at the next stop, but it is rammed in here. I don't know how I'm going to get off. Well, we'll figure it out somehow. No idea. So what I might do is I might pack everything up and not record and just say, I'm going out, let me out.
Welcome aboard the Southern Service to Watford Junction. The next station is Balham.
Right, here we go. So I got off, managed to get off the train, and thankfully we're on platform 2 and I need to go to platform 1, so not much of a walk. Have fun going to Watford Junction, guys. That was busy. People were just being really rude in there, you know. I've been on underground trains when it's been packed and people have been all right, but that, it was like, stop pushing me, stop touching me. It was weird. People were like being really, yeah. I'm not saying in a bad way, but yeah.
Please note, some of the lifts at New Cross Gate are currently out of service. Please speak to a member of staff if you need further assistance.
Sorry about the shaky cam. I was trying to make sure that I got on this train. So I saw the Gatwick Express, then the doors opened for mine and I went, I'm gonna need to move. And thankfully I did, because yeah, we're going already.
Welcome aboard the Southern service to London Bridge. The next station is Streatham Hill.
Almost missed that. I saw the front of it, I was like, quick, quick, quick. So it's a portrait video, but I've rotated it so it is landscape. I wonder if Dad Rail was driving that one. Because he's been doing a few RHTTs lately. As of recording, not, you know, when this is out.
We are now approaching Streatham Hill. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Right, let's get off. We're at our final station today. So there we have it, guys, a little trip on the Brighton mainline London commuter. East Croydon to Balham, Balham to Streatham Hill. That was fun. I enjoyed that. Hopefully you did too. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And I will see you on the next one. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.
Mm-hmm.